to meditation. You got to do any of these great texts without meditating. It's missing it. It's like trying to talk about the game of baseball, but you've never seen a baseball game in your life. Actually, baseball is probably the most boring game in the world. I take it back. It's like trying to tell people about surfing, but they've never seen a surfboard in their life, but they're going to tell you in concepts. Okay, so let's surf. Let's surf the mind waves. Just a couple minutes. Yeah, close your eyes. Breathe out all tightness. Breathe out, like flutter your lips. Go. And sink your hips down. Chitvrittis are mental thoughts. We stirred up quite a number of them. Just let your mind quiet down a little bit more. How? Feel the peace of the body. Feel the peace of the breath. Breathe in luxuriously, expansively. And breathe out worry. Breathe out overthinking. And just feel that the body has come to this place of peace. Give yourself a mantra. No Sanskrit. We've had tons of Sanskrit already. Just an English word, peace. Breathe in peace. Breathe out peace. And park your body in this vertical channel of light. Let your heart rest in it. Let your breath be full. And then bring your hands into prayer. And it was, a little bit of a short meditation, but I feel connected to something deeper. I hope you do also. And I don't even know what it is. It's a mystery. But if there's any lessons to be applied from today's teachings, it's this. This place that we all feel right now inside of us, can we make a commitment, aka a prayer, to let it guide us? So we can see outside of our own selfishness. Just see what happens in the world if we can let go of wanting so much, and we can act from a place of being a conduit for this incredible sense of peace, no matter where it comes from. Breathe that commitment in fully into your heart. Expand your heart. Make it part of your heart's DNA. And breathe out peace. right, everybody. I'm glad we did that. Yeah. It almost would have been a disservice not to do that meditation. Yeah. You know, so much of what I talk about is being a conduit for love. That's what they're saying, is be a conduit for the peace of the divine. And see, this is the whole point. I'm not going to go off on too much philosophy because we're in this great space, but that's why I also said that Joseph Campbell says you got to take these teachings and rework them for modern sensibilities, back to Angela's point. So this is the whole point, is that where we're going in this course is to respect the traditions, the cultures where this comes from, to see it. And if we got to transform it to suit our needs, we will. But at least we know, okay, this is the new adaptation of yoga for our culture that we're doing. That's what Blissology is. I'm trying to adapt these old teachings, but I'm giving them like full respect. And I'm just saying no disrespect to where you're coming from. But our culture is a little bit different and our needs are a little bit different. So it's not that I'm creating a new iPhone. They created the iPhone. I'm just like, let's just change, let's make a new app a little bit. That's what I'm trying to do in Blissology, because our people, our culture, we're kind of fucked. We're kind of lost spiritually, emotionally. And that's why our bodies are falling apart. That's why marriages don't last. And that's why we're trashing the planet. And so we got to take these teachings and adapt them to this lost culture. Again, when we get into the Blissology, it's about the roots and the remedies of a disconnected world. And a lot of what we're disconnected from is what we just felt. And so we got to take that and take that inspiration, take this great knowledge and adapt it. So with that, thank you everyone for all your time. I know I've gone a little bit over time. I promise in the next lectures, I won't. It's just on the first day, there's so much, again, of last week's episode to cover. So as I say here in Bali, terima kasih, aloha, and we'll see you in the next session. I will have the manual posted for you to read through this stuff. I welcome all your questions, always. I don't just welcome them, I live for them. I love them. Okay, peace everybody. I'm sorry for keeping you late, but it's been awesome. Thanks Danielle for all your help too, and Insia behind the scenes. Peace.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, ciao guys. Peace. It's been a joy. Totally. It's so great to see you all. Can't wait for more.